So the crazy real estate market and the construction industry backlogs are creating more problems than just having trouble building homes or doing renovations. It's also affecting the insurance industry. So if you're doing remodels or construction on homes, the fact that it's difficult to get materials, difficult to find quality labor is starting to show itself in construction defect insurance claims. So if you are a contractor or builder, you have certain types of coverages that will cover you, or you should, for construction defects. It may show up in your surety bond coverages. But the fact that the type and skill level of your subcontractors or your employees or your staff may be showing up in claims against a build project that had defects. Those defects can show up a lot of ways. Maybe installing something improperly. Maybe forgetting to install something altogether. Maybe the subcontractor didn't align certain trades or mechanicals with the framing. So the plumbing may not be set up right. We saw a job the other day where the plumbing vent stack wasn't lined up right, where one of the seams was right up against the ceiling joist, and so when it settled, it was pushing down on the plumbing, and it was about ready to break the vent, which would have been pretty catastrophic. So keeping in mind that there were some major differences in the construction industry over the last 24 months, you may also want to see if there's additional coverages that as a contractor you want to have, or to make sure that your coverages are in place to begin with. You may also want to have a quality control person review some of your projects to see if the construction was done to spec. Even though the inspectors are going to look at it to sign off on your permits, they may not catch everything, and they may not be able to catch defects or quality control problems that show up down the road, especially if they're not part of safety or framing or electrical or plumbing. If they're just part of cosmetic, you may see those show up a little bit later.